Hey guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. I have another tutorial using the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palettes. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, as usual, is priming my eyelids. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and then setting it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palettes. First one I'm going into is this orange one, and I'm going into that orange transition color, and I'm just popping that color into my crease and just kind of winging out that outer corner because we are going to be doing a cat eye type of makeup tutorial today. And then the next thing that I'm doing is grabbing this yellow shade in the palette, and it just felt like I needed something a little bit lighter above that first transition color, and I definitely wanted to add a pop of yellow in the crease, so I just went ahead and kind of buffed that over top. And that yellow eyeshadow is super pigmented. And then I grabbed this angled brush from Colourpop, and I'm just grabbing this darker magenta shade, and I'm just starting to carve my crease. And I like to start in the center of my crease and then work my way to the inner corner and then wing out that outer corner. And then I'm grabbing my small tapered brush and that salmon shade, and I'm just applying that into my crease and just kind of going in left and right motions, just really diffusing and buffing out that line. So next thing I did was I grabbed the orange shade once again with a fluffy brush, and I just really went in there and diffused it, just kind of blending all the shades together. And then the next thing that I'm doing is grabbing my angled brush and some concealer, and I'm just carving the center half of my lid. And I've actually really been loving this for halo eyes. It just kind of adds a touch of definition to the center of the eye and just kind of leaves the outer and inner corner for a more blended look. And then I just grabbed that shimmery pink shade in the palette, and I'm not gonna lie you guys, these shades definitely apply better with your finger, so just go ahead and use your finger to apply that shadow. And then I'm grabbing the purple shade in the other Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, the pink one, and I'm just kind of grabbing my small pencil brush, and I'm just kind of dabbing this on the very inner and outer edge and just kind of building pigment there. And then with this smaller tapered brush, I'm grabbing the salmon shade, and I'm just kind of blending that to kind of merge it into that metallic shade. And it's just going to give it a little bit more dimension and just really give it more of a blended look. And then I'm grabbing this pink sapphire glitter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just popping that to the center of my crease. And I wasn't sure if I was going to do this step, but I definitely feel like it brought the whole look together. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. And for lashes today, I'm using our Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes. For those of you guys that don't know, we have our own company selling eyelashes, so if you want to support our brand, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then for my lower lash line, I just applied the orange shade and the yellow shade. And then I'm grabbing my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and just applying that onto my lower lashes. And then I just grabbed my spoolie and ran it through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And then the very last thing that I'm doing for this look is I'm picking up my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlighter, and I just went ahead and popped that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway. It is unfortunately US only for now. But yeah, if you guys want to be entered for that, then just go ahead and do those 3 things that I just said, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!